Here's your chick. Here's your dog. Here's your unicorn. Here's your turtle. And here's your pig. Here are your 2 jelly straws. Here's your blue poppet. And here are your 2 mystery stress balls. For your first one, I'll give you this pineapple squishy. And for your second one, I'll give you this color-changing Neato. Let's package. Here's your order. Thanks so much for ordering.
And then I found me a lover who could play the bass. He's kinda quiet, but his body. If you heard me, then you only heard it yourself. Well, wait, I love myself. That was the kid of it.
I'm sorry for fidgeting, but fidgeting's what I do. And one of these days you stole my fidget, I'll explode all over you.
Hey guys, so I'm going to be reading the haul of what I got for Valentine's Day. First I got this smiley face splat ball. This is the smiley face splat ball from Walmart. Next I got this bluish Orby stress ball from Dollar Tree. This is it, I love the feeling of it. Next I got the same thing but it's clear. This is it, it's also really fun to play with. Then I got these mochis from Michael's. These are them. This is the frog, it's shaped a little weird. Then I got this panda. Then I got these magnetic rings. These are them and I got them from Amazon. Give me some ideas in the comments of what I should do for my next video.
Hey everyone, happy Valentine's Day. I hope you guys are having a great Valentine's Day. I just want to show you all the fidgets I've gotten today, and I'm so grateful. And also, yesterday I went to Lauryn Teresa, and I'll do a little haul of what I got in the next video. For Valentine's Day, I got this gumball stress ball, feels just like a Neato, and also 4 acupressure rings, which I love, and they're so pretty. I hope you guys are having a great Valentine's Day, and I'm so happy of everything I got. Of course, I did not just get fidgets, I also got some other things. Like chocolate, I got a Shein gift card and a Squishmallow. And I also got gummy hearts. I'm so happy and I hope you guys are going to have a great Valentine's Day today. So I haven't been really active, but in my dress I have so many videos I've been preparing for you guys to post today for Valentine's Day. I hope it will make your Valentine's Day and keep you guys entertained. Bye.